These are my ingredients. The recipe will be shown at the end. Here's my equipment featuring my homemade 2-gallon boil kettle. Cleaning and sanitizing are vital steps in the brewing process. Brewing salts were added to distilled water to create a balanced water profile. Pilsner is the base malt, Vienna and Crystal were used to round out the malt profile, and wheat was added to aid head retention. I chose a single infusion mash at 152 degrees Fahrenheit to produce a rounder, more full-bodied beer. Wort was recirculated through the grain bed twice, and my pre-boil specific gravity was 1.044. You can see the vigorous hot break and use of a hop spider to reduce the likelihood of my plate chiller clogging. This beer should be balanced with a sweet malty flavor, so my bitterness target is 17 IBUs using triple pearl hops. The plate chiller cooled this wort from boiling to 64 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a minute. My original gravity was 1.064, so I'll need to manage this fermentation carefully to hit my desired 4.6% ABV.